Pharmaceutical microbiology. Session 2. In this session, we will discuss introduction to prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So, microorganisms are basically of two types, prokaryotes and eukaryotes, depending upon the structure of cells. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes are distinguished on the basis of their cellular characteristics. For example, prokaryote cells lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound structures known as organelles, while eukaryotic cells have both nucleus and organelles. So here is a diagram of eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Like the prokaryote cell is very simple as compared to the eukaryote. It consists of number of organelles as compared to prokaryotes. Moreover, the nucleotide here doesn't have any kind of membrane, and the genome or the genetic material is not protected here. Whereas if we are comparing with the eukaryote cells, the genetic material here in the nucleus, and there is a nucleus and is protected by the nuclear membrane. You can say in eukaryote cells there are two nucleus present here. Apart from this, lot of organelles present here like mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome. So there are lots of organelles. The similarities: the prokaryotes and eukaryote cells are similar in several ways. Both types of cells are enclosed by cell membrane, plasma membrane, and both use DNA as a genetic information. The characteristics of prokaryotes: prokaryotes have the simplest type of cells. All this type of cell appeared about 4 billion years ago. Prokaryotes are the largest group of organisms. Prokaryotes being cellular organisms that are found in all kind of environments. Prokaryotes do not have a nuclear membrane. Their circular shaped genetic material is spread throughout the cytoplasm. Prokaryotes do not have membrane-bound organelles. Prokaryotes have a simple internal structure. Prokaryotes are smaller in size when compared to the eukaryotes. Then here are the different shapes of prokaryotes. Like they are possess three kind of shapes: cocci, bacillus, and squirrelium. The cocci are round in shape. Here you can see, and the bacillus are rod shaped, and the spiral are having the helical shape, like a spring. The characteristics of eukaryote cells appeared approximately 1 billion years ago. They are the modern kind of cells as compared to prokaryotes. The eukaryotes are generally more advanced than the prokaryotes. Nuclear membranes surround linear genetic material as DNA. Eukaryote organelles have a covering known as membranes, and eukaryotes have a complex internal structure. Eukaryotes are larger than prokaryotes in size. So here is the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes, which we earlier discussed in our first section also. So go for a look. So here are the similarities. Both contain cell membranes, both contain ribosome, DNA, and liquid fluid that is called cytoplasm. Prokaryote cells are smaller in size, and their cell is 10 to 100 microns. Unicellular, single-cell organisms are this, and they have the filamentous, like flagella present over there. If you see this diagram, you can find out the flagella over here in prokaryote. The function of this flagella is to move you after the unicellular organism. The next is a different structure or different organelles or different parts of the prokaryote cell. The first one is structure, which is in red color. This This is the plastic that is cleaning out and copy. Then here, which is in yellow color, is the cell wall, tougher middle layer. And then there is a cytoplasm present over here, that is the inner liquid filling, which is called fluid. There is a red color helical structure, so DNA present over here without any membrane protection. Then there are some pillars present over here in green color. The function of this pillar is to stick with the seed. And there is a green color of flagella over here, which is the function is like for movement or we can say swimming. And there are lots of ribosomes present over here, which you see in the cytoplasm. These are the building proteins of these kind of organisms. Apart from this, these also consist of a plasma membrane at the base of the cell wall, and the plasma membrane is a delicate inner skin. Then prokaryotes lifestyle, they are unicellular and sometimes they exist in alone and sometimes in colonies, and they also have a filament, you can say flagella, that is a form of chain of cells. Prokaryotes feeding, they are photosynthetic, they get energy from sunlight to make their own food. They are disease causing, like they feed on the host cell. They are decomposers, they can feed on the dead animals or dead organisms. So the next is eukaryotes are bigger and more complicated. They have lots of organelles as compared to prokaryotes, have chromosome over there that is a linear DNA structure. These can be multicellular and it includes animals and plant cells. Membrane bound cell parts are there and mini organs, they form organs and they are located in the cytoplasm. So here it is a structure of a eukaryotic cell and there are different parts of the cell. You can start with the cell membrane, the outer membrane, that is the cell membrane, which is delicate, lipid and proteins combined. Then there is a fluid kind of material present over here, which is imagine prokaryotes, that is called cytoplasm. Then at the center, in the purple color, so it is a nucleus present over here. A membrane-bound sac evolved to store a cell's chromosome. The nucleolus, this part, like the purple flower kind of part, inside this, the nucleus present here, location of ribosome, factory made of RNA, DNA, and have pores. Then the mitochondria, these orange colors, these particles are called mitochondria. The mitochondria are also called energy of the powerhouse of the cell. Then the ribosomes are present over here. So these kind of things, these all are ribosomes. So the ribosomes are the building proteins from amino acids. Then endoplasmic reticulum. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. At the starting, there is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and at the end of the endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes get attached to it with small circles, and hence we call them the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then the Golgi complex. This is a Golgi complex. Golgi complex. This is green color. Takes in sac of raw material from endoplasmic reticulum. The raw material is at the endoplasm. It consists of the raw material of endoplasmic reticulum, and the finished product it sends to the endoplasmic reticulum. That is a function of Golgi operator, and it's somewhat similar to the endoplasmic reticulum. Then lysosomes, there are so many lysosomes present over there. The lysosomes. So that consists of different digestion enzymes which digest the worn out cell parts and other nutrients present over there. Then centrioles present, that is a pair of bundle tubes that organize for the cell division. So there are some centrioles going over here. So this is centriole. This spindle shaped structure are called centrioles. Whenever the cell is ready for the cell division, the centrioles go divide. Cell centrioles goes at the end of both ends of the cell, and they pull the cell with the maximum force, and they can break out the cell. Last one is cytoskeleton. Cytoskeletons are present over here. There are lots of microtubules present over there, which basically give the skeleton to the cell. So found throughout the cytoplasm give the shape to the cell and move the structure. To make the cell wall very strong, made up of cellulose to protect the cell from rupturing. Basically, the cell wall is present in the plant cell. Then the vacuoles are present there. That is due to artificial fat that keeps the cell pressurized and stored fast. Then chloroplasts also present in the plant cells which contain chlorophyll. The function of is that they absorb the energy from the sunlight and they then prepare the food. So here is a difference here in the plant cell and then animal cell. And go through the difference between the animal and plant cell. So one more image, like the plant cells are rectangular in shape, and the picture is rectangular, whereas animal cells are irregular in shape. Plant cells consist of chloroplast, which consists of chlorophyll, which housing the photosynthetic process, but animal cells consist of lysosomes, which contains of many uh, digestive enzymes. Then it consists of plastids and rigid cell wall, but animal cells consist of cilia. And these are some organelles which is caused by the birth type of cells like nucleus, cytoplasm, ribosome, mitochondria, and endoplasm. So there is also some another differences of animal cells and plant cells. So eukaryotic cells can be multicellular. The whole cell can be specialized for one job. Cells can work together as tissues, and tissues can work together as organ, and then they made the organ system, and then they made a fully fledged and one individual. The advantages of each kind of architecture. We can't say the prokaryotes are best or eukaryotes are best, both for their own kind of advantages depending upon their living criteria. So prokaryotes are simple and easy to do, whereas eukaryotes are very much specialized and their cell division or we can say their reproduction is not very much simple. And prokaryotes are fast reproduction, whereas eukaryotes are multicellular, so their reproduction is also the same. Prokaryotes all are same. Like the offspring they made, they are identical copy of their parents. But if we talk about eukaryotes, they will not die. Thank you. Here we completed the first module